My name is Christian Lee, I'm a consultant town planner, and I've written a book on how to be involved in planning appeals. If a person has been refused planning permission, they have a right of appeal. As a neighbour, you also have a right to be involved in that planning appeal. You can write in again to make your objection heard. In this short video, I set out my tips on how to be involved in that process. It's important to realise that at appeal, the case goes back to the beginning. It's determined from the very beginning again by the new independent inspector. So think about the process as starting at square one. Anything you've written has been seen by the inspector, but you can write in again, and you should do, to be involved from the very beginning. When an appeal is lodged, the appellant would have written in with their full statement setting out why they think that the appeal should be allowed and planning permission granted. This will be on the council's website. You should read that thoroughly as an objector and respond to that in your new letter of objection. The council's reasons for refusing the application will also be on the website. Read that and write in and say why you support their reasons for refusing it. But it's important to realise that the planning inspector can refuse planning permission to appeal on any ground they want to. So if there's something else which you want to write in, put that in your letter to the inspectorate, because the inspector will read that properly. There are very strict deadlines at the planning appeal stage. You must meet these. If you submit your letter too late, it won't be seen by the inspector. Planning appeals will run through either the written representations, the hearing, or the inquiry route. You can be involved in all of this, but every route requires you to write in with your letter of objection. With a hearing and inquiry, you can put your case in person. If an appeal is allowed, there's little you can do. The only course of action is a challenge on legal grounds through the courts. That can be costly and time consuming, so if that's the case, then seek legal advice. For more advice on how to put your case well at a planning appeal and to prepare your own letter of objection, then read my book, which is available from Amazon by clicking on the link below.